Water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. Yes, according to our authorities, 31% of all consumable water in Karachi is not fit for human consumption. And this figure too is debatable. But perhaps what is even more worrying is that the water which is relatively consumable mostly goes to waste and is not distributed among the majority of our population. Your washroom, for example, is probably the place where the most amount of water goes to waste. That's 5 gallons of water flushed down the toilet right there. And given that a person goes to the toilet at least 5 or 6 times a day, there's 25 or 30 gallons gone straight down the drain. On top of that, an extravagant shower too consumes approximately 25 to 30 gallons per day. And this, by the way, is tanker water, which is relatively consumable, especially when compared to the quality of water available in our low-income settlements. This is cause for worry. Machar colony gets all its water from this particular source here, and as you can see, the pipes are full of sewage. On top of that, the residents keep complaining of health issues because of this, and unfortunately, the water going down our pot is a lot cleaner.
हम लोग पेप लगा के मोटर चालू करके जो झटके में कभी हवा आता है, कभी पानी आता है, कभी मिलावट आता है, कभी साफ आता है, ये परेशानी है.
So while the rich pour water down the pot, the poor are left with substandard water, and that too when it is available.
ऐसी कॉलोनी में पानी है ही नहीं. 15-20 साल हो गया, 30 साल हो गया कॉलोनी बनाया हुआ, मगर पानी नहीं, बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं है, न बिजली है न पानी है. गंदा देखो, गंदा नाले से पाइप कभी आता है कभी नहीं आता है. सारा लोगों बीमार पड़ा था.
Keeping in mind the gallons being wasted in our toilets, let's speak to some of the less fortunate out in the streets and see what measures they have to take to have water available.
हम किसी बंगले से ले लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा पानी मिल जाता है, एक कूलर एक बाल्टी, काम कपड़े छोटे ये बच्चे हैं ये धो लेते हैं बस. कभी कमी हो जाती है, कोई देता है कोई नहीं देता सर.
So these people shower and consume dirty water, and that too only a gallon per day. This reflects the mismanagement on the part of the authorities for having a distribution system which prioritizes water in the wrong way. If consumable water is being wasted in our toilets, while people elsewhere are struggling to get a drop, it is a definite cause for action. Abid Hasan, Dawn News, Karachi.